Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to get a little bit more advanced with talking about the Thesis framework. Thesis is technically a theme that sits on top of WordPress, but it's a framework that gives you a lot of control about how you lay out your site and how you pull different colors and then you can edit, etc. It makes your site, as we saw in the last video, very, very fast. That's really important to your customers, it's really important to Google, and on top of the Thesis framework you can add what they call a skin, which is a bit like a theme. It's the design, the layout, which you can then have a lot more control over of pulling and moving things around from maybe the left side to the right side, etc. So you also get a lot of control, as well as it being a really skinny coded system where it loads fast. It gives you a lot of control for the design. So you'll see a link below this video for the Thesis website. So if you want to get Thesis, you will also most likely want to get something like the Thesis skins with a link below that, just below this video. So you can see some different options for the skins that you can get for the layouts. This is the privatehiretutor.co.uk website that we're looking at here. This is a demonstration website that I built. It's using WordPress, then with Thesis on that, framework on that, and then with a skin on top of that, which is this style. So you'll see as I hit refresh, that just as the video started, then we get these items slide in. If I slide down, if you just see this image behind, the image stays there as we scroll past it. It's just got some nice little features of interaction, and it gets more interaction with your readers. So on hover, this little button here rolls around, etc., and these buttons fade out as you unhover them. So this is just one of the many skins that you'll be able to get access to. I say the link for Thesis is below. That will take you to this site here, which have a read on through that, see if this is appropriate for you. It will make your site faster, good for you, good for your customers, and you also get this access to use this Thesis skins on top of that. There's a link below this for Thesis skins. This is one of the Thesis skins option. This is a business that sells Thesis skins. I use these guys and they've proven very, very good. Their customer response is good, their customer service is good, and technically the actual skin itself, the theme if you like, the layout looks good and it works very, very fast. In that previous video that I showed you for this site, where we tested it in GTmetrix, by only using Thesis without the other lightning load speed elements to it, we got a site that loaded in 2.4 seconds rather than 3.5, 4 seconds that other sites would otherwise load in. This was down to 2.4, and then by switching on that plugin that I showed you, it was down to 1.3. So it can be incredibly fast loading. So when you've got Thesis, then you can get your Thesis skins, and you can get any one of these. As part of the package, you get full access to all of these. So let's just give you a quick demonstration. So there's some nice looking theme interaction here with the skin. This is for a photo one, may or may not work for you as a tutor. Let's have a look at this one here. So this is quite a nice little parallax one where we've got this image behind scrolling differentially from the text. You scroll down, we've got a few different things going on here. Another little parallax image, video input, nice little icon. So this is quite nice, and I think we'll probably use this as a test one to put onto our demonstration website that we've been creating. So we've got some opt-in boxes there, and you can obviously you would edit all of these to different people. There's many different styles and designs there, and with all of these the color schemes will be editable as well. So for instance, if you don't want this one here where it's got a black background, you'll be able to edit those color schemes and you can move them around. So that's the quick overview introduction of Thesis and the Thesis skins, which is a design layout to make your site faster. This is a bit more advanced than the pure basic WordPress and WordPress theme system. The reason we're doing this is makes your site faster for your customers, better for Google, because Google likes fast loading sites, and as well as having a good looking site, you've got a lot more control over where things are on your site. You can simply move them around, turn them on, turn them off. So if you simply wanted to switch off or to hide the right side menu, you can do that fairly easily. So all that said, let's go over now and actually install this. So in the next video we will install Thesis, add a skin and tweak it. I'll see you in the next video.